Hey folks, my name's Chef Jean-Paul Bourgeois and welcome to Field to Flame. I'm with my friends from Masterbuilt Kingsford. I got some easy smoking grilling recipes to show y'all. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'll be grilling up flank steak wrapped in roasted red peppers, served with a side of creamy French onion dip. I've loaded in my Kingsford charcoal. I have my grill set to 400 degrees, and that should take about 10 minutes to get up to temp. I'm using a simple steak seasoning, salt and pepper. While my steak is grilling, I'm also gonna roast my red peppers. Our steaks are grilling, the peppers are roasting, and now it's time to make the dip. Our flank steak is done, but it has to rest. While it rests, we're gonna let our peppers steam in a bag. Once the peppers are cool enough to work with, use a paper towel to remove the burnt skin from the pepper. We're gonna give these peppers a simple marinade of fresh herbs and oil and vinegar. Now we'll slice our steak into thin 1-inch strips against the grain. Roll the peppers and the steak into a spiral and use a toothpick to hold it all together. Now that the spirals are assembled, it's time to plate it up. All right, let's take a bite. Simple ingredients, but incredible flavor. Gravity Series 1050 and Kingsford charcoal offer consistent heat and performance throughout the whole cook, and that is so important for a dish like this. Thanks for watching. You can find this recipe and other Field to Flame dishes right here. Grab your ingredients, your Gravity Series grill, and your Kingsford charcoal. See you next time.